Sitting here in southern Vermont in a early February winter vacation camping trip. It's about 10 degrees outside and it's about 70 degrees in here. We've got the seek outside, large stove, titanium stove, and I've got my BC2, Backcountry 2 shelter here. It has been working out really well. I had the BC1 originally, and it was a nice shelter, but I will say, when they said they improved the design, they meant it. It went up well, was not hard to figure out geometrically, and it's definitely a solid construction. Reinforced, all in the right places. We've been using biobricks, something that has really helped out dramatically. It's amazing how much extra burn time you can get with these eco bricks, biobricks, compressed sawdust effectively. Don't be confused, not Duralogs, they have chemicals in them. As long as you got a hot bed of coals prior to putting them in there, they fire right up, and you can get a good 2.5 hours of nice toasty burn time out of that. So, if you're thinking about it, I highly recommend it.